Welcome to this YouTube channel, and hope your subscription. In this series, we will complete the biology introduction as a part 2. I have added the biology introduction part 1 video link in the description below. Now we're going to discuss about sustainable food production, understanding plant life, understanding diseases and causes, solving some legal and ethical issues, the nature and the organizational patterns of the living world, characteristics of organisms, hierarchical levels of organization of living things. Now we go to the first one, sustainable food production. Sustainable food production is the production of sufficient amounts of food for the human population using environmentally safe methods. The current human population is about 7 billion and expected to be double in less than 40 years. Therefore, for the survival of human beings, sustainable food production is necessary. To maintain sustainable food production, following methods can be applied, which are based on knowledge in biology. Production of high-yielding varieties of plants and animals. Production of disease-resistant plants and animal varieties. Improve the post-harvest technological methods. Understanding plant life. Plants are the primary producers in the world. All the animals depend directly or indirectly on plants. Therefore, understanding plant life is important. As the human population is increasing, we need to increase the productivity. Therefore, understanding plant function and biology is important to produce high-yielding plants, disease-resistant plants, etc. Understanding diseases and causes. To maintain healthy human body, one should have the knowledge of causes of the diseases and their effects. Some dangerous diseases which exist in current world are non-communicable diseases such as cancers, heart diseases, diabetes, chronic renal diseases, and communicable diseases such as dengue, AIDS, etc. Cancers causes for this is not fully understood yet. Cancers are one of the leading causes of death. AIDS is a viral disease which is a serious and growing health problem worldwide. Heart diseases, this is also a serious and growing health problem worldwide. Currently, scientists are working on prevention, remedial measures and cures for such diseases. Solving some legal and ethical issues. Knowledge and application of biological concepts is important in solving some legal issues, such as parentage testing, in criminal investigations, and to solve immigration disputes. DNA fingerprinting is used in above circumstances. The nature and the organizational patterns of the living world. In accordance with different criteria, we can see a diversity among living organisms. Organisms are diverse based on size, shape, form, and habitats. Living organisms show a wide range of variation in size, shape, form, and habitat. Size: bacteria 0.25 micrometers to 2 micrometers, and giant sequoia, giant redwood, is 100 meters. Shaped organisms are diverse in shape. Examples: cylindrical, earthworm, streamlined shape, birds, fish. Form: unicellular, amoeba, multicellular, any plant or animal. Habitat: terrestrial, rat, aquatic, fish, arboreal, loras, aerial, birds. Characteristics of organisms. In order to survive, each organism, whether simple or complex, must be able to perform certain functions. Following features are the characteristics of organisms. 1. Order and organization. From molecular level to biosphere, there is an order and organization in organisms to perform their biological activities efficiently. Lower level components are organized in a methodical pattern in upper level to make it most efficient. Example: plant leaf and human eyes. 2. Metabolism. The sum of all chemical activities taking place in an organism is its metabolism. It includes catabolic reactions and anabolic reactions. 3. Growth and development. All organisms begin their life as a single cell. During growth, an irreversible increase in dry mass occurs, which is characterized only by the living. Irreversible changes that occur during the lifespan of an organism is development. Growth and development are two consequent processes that happen in the lifespan of organisms. 4. Irritability and coordination. Irritability is the ability to respond to stimuli from both internal and external environment. Movement of organisms occurs as a result of irritability and coordination. In animals, this happens as a result of coordinated efforts of nervous, hormonal, muscular and skeletal systems. 5. Adaptation. Adaptation is a peculiarity of structure, physiology or behavior that promotes the likelihood of an organism's survival and reproduction in a particular environment. Examples: sunken stomata in xerophites. 5. Aparity in some mangroves, splayed-out foot in camels. 6. Reproduction. Ability to produce offspring for continuous existence of species. 7. Heredity and evolution. Organisms have genes that pass from one generation to the next and control specific physiological, morphological and behavioral characters of organisms. Ability of organisms to change over time as a result of genetic modification is evolution. Many non-living entities may have one or more of these characteristics, but not all of them. Example: crystals grow up, waves move, but only living organisms display all these characteristics simultaneously or at some point during their life cycle. By considering this, it can be said that these are occurring at single-celled organisms as well as highly complex organisms, such as humans and anthophytes, flowering plants. Hierarchical levels of organization of living things. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Some organisms are unicellular while others are multicellular. Cell is composed of several organelles which are formed by different organic molecules. Then hierarchical levels of organization of living things can be constructed by using relevant examples at each level. Molecules, organelles, cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, organisms, populations, communities, ecosystems, biosphere. Now we have finished our first unit. We will start our second unit called Chemical and Cellular Basis of Life. Hope your subscription. Thank you.